very unusual position, and when he does so, he usually...
How cool would that have been to make? That was absolutely a silhouette perfection. Didn't quite stick the landing, but what an alley-oop attempt for Kelly. Late takeoff out the back.
Yeah, well, de Souza now, he's had a fantastic heat, and he still needs a near-perfect score. So what will he do? He's very well aware of his situation, and it looks like he's going to surf a pretty orthodox kind of heat performance in this way, and Kelly's yet to find his rhythm. Here we see de Souza though. Wow.
De Souza taking late, a high line that drops her speed. How about that long drawn out bottom turn? There's a quick snap. Says hi to Kelly. Snapping. Oh, de Souza, wave selection. And again, what a memorable day for him. John Florence. And looks like he wraps around into the white water, another one, and then a nice hack underneath the lip. Beautiful move. John and Kelly basically neighbors on the North Shore.
Look at this. So who's in position? And here we go.